All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2017 Hyundai Sonata. It is the SE model. It's beautiful blue with tan interior, alloy wheels, premium sound system, steering wheel controls. Got only 32,000 miles in this vehicle. Best of all, minimum damage around the body. Your front bumper looks good. Your front hood looks pretty good. Does seem to be a little misaligned here on the line, as you can see. Don't know what that's all about. Got a little dent here, about an inch PDR work there on the fender. Quarter here looks pretty good. Here's your front driver's rim, very nice. I don't see curbing. Your tire thread here is at 5/32. This door looks good. This rear door looks good. And this quarter looks pretty good. Here's your rear driver's rim, very nice. I don't see curbing. Your tire thread is over 7/32. They have a little chippy there on the rear driver's door. Front driver's door has a chip here as well. Here's a nice shot of your roof and what that looks like. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up there. You got power windows, power door locks, power mirrors. Your front driver's seat, very nice. I don't see no tears, no rips, no holes, just some little dirt. A little singe mark right there. That's about it. I'll get my keys I left on this table here. All right, does come with the 2-key fob combos and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Obviously, your AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, and I guess that's working. Got your AC controls right down below. Steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your super cluster looks like. You see no lights on except for airbag, and your mileage of 32,790. I was 730. Very nice. Open up the trunk, keeping it moving. Here is your rear passenger seat and what that looks like. I don't see no holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. You got your armrest and cup holders coming around. Rear bumper looks pretty good. Rear trunk space looks good. You have a spare tire here with some tools, and then I did tuck away your owner's manuals right there. Got a little grab. Deckman looks good with that spoiler. Looks fancy. Fender, quarter here looks good. Rear passenger rim looks good. Got a little bit of curbing there and some more here. It's about 9 inches. Got a heavy scratch on this door, 3 to 4 inches there, and about an inch here in the quarter. Front passenger, the other side of the rear passenger seat, no holes, no tears, no rips. Front door looks good. Front passenger seat, no holes, no tears, no rips, looks good as well. Front fender looks pretty good. Front passenger rim, very nice. I don't see curbing. Your tire thread is at 5/32. Lights, working, car is on, things are running. Folks, once again, this is a 2017 Hyundai Sonata SE model with the 32,000 miles. Questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.